Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you guys a few cleaning tips plus products that I use in my home. Now this first product is the Resolve Heavy Traffic Carpet Cleaner. Now I use it to clean heavy traffic areas, the landing at the top of my stairs, which really takes a beating, as well as area rugs. So this product comes in this small box and you will need to assemble it. It comes with a 4-piece stick that you need to put together. It also comes with a trigger handle and a brush head. Now it's pretty easy to put together, and once you have the stick assembled, you just pop off the lid and give it a good shake. And then you insert the can upside down onto the brush head and rotate clockwise until you hear a gentle click. And then you will need to vacuum the carpet just to remove any debris. Now once you're ready to clean, you release the foam and you work it into the carpet with the brush. And be sure to get all of the edges where you step on the carpet and in front of the sofa when you're sitting down. Okay, so you let that dry. Now, I like to vacuum afterwards, but you don't have to. Now, when you're done, clean your brush head and the bristles. And I like to use an old toothbrush to clean the bristles. Okay, so the next item is the Woolite Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Now I like to use this on my sofa. You basically just spray the foam and brush the foam into the sofa in the direction of the grain of the fabric. And that's it. Do this over the entire sofa. Okay, the next item is the MultiPurpose Cleaner by Pledge, and I like to use this on my tables. And guys, once the carpet is clean, the table is clean, and everything is smelling fresh, I like to light a candle, sit back, and enjoy my clean space. So guys, that's going to do it for this video today. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.